All right, so the question is, Mark, why is the stock market going down? While Bitcoin is going up? Is this a problem? Does this mean that Bitcoin is going to crash and stock's a leading indicator, or is it like what's going on? Why is this happening? This seems really weird. So if you're also wondering that, here's my answer. I don't know anything about. I don't know how to do stocks. I don't know how to evaluate stocks or how to. I just don't. It's not my thing. I'm not really interested in stocks. If I'm gonna put my money into a speculative asset that has no intrinsic value, I have crypto. So I can't answer the question, and I don't know why that might be. But I do know correlations come and go. But sometimes Bitcoin's price has been correlated to the stock market for an extended period of time, and then sometimes it's not. For a long time, there was no correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market. For years, there was no correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market. Maybe that's how it is now, and we're just back to them not being correlated. We know, you've subscribed long enough. I've talked about this so many times. Capital has fled the United States. Well, crypto capital has fled the United States. You look at all the metrics that show the geographical distribution of money, time, talent, everything related to crypto, and it's all overseas. So the question is, given that that's happened, is what happens in the U.S. really? Just how much weight does that have anymore? And the stock market is a U.S. vehicle. I guess the answer is, the short answer is, I don't know. The long answer is what I just said. And the bottom line is, let's worry about crypto. Focus on crypto. Well, you can't control the stock market. And it may end up that it doesn't matter. We know, so far, 2023 is basically, it's all going to plan. We know, and then the big picture, look, it's Act 2. Maybe we just started Act 3. We'll just have to see, right? It's been just a few days since we got this pump. So look, we're going to have to see how it plays out over at least the next few days, maybe another week or two. Right? At the very least, you want to see how the weekly trading candle closes. And then, look, we'll see. And we know that, as it's been for, 8 months now, I've been talking about this idea of just going horizontal, ups and downs until there's a big upswing. And this is not a big upswing. It feels like it. It's not. You can look at it in a chart and you can see it's not significant. It's an upswing, but it's not like this big zoom like I've been talking about. So, but maybe that's the start. And we get that big zoom and everybody gets so excited. And we know exactly what happens next. I wouldn't worry so much about the stock market. Let's focus on crypto. If you're a newsletter, if you subscribe to the Crypto is Easy newsletter, if you're on the premium plan, you have the insights, the analysis, and everything else. If you're on the free plan, well, it should be pretty clear from the weekly posts and the monthly exactly where I stand. Every month, I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing, whether I'm buying or I'm not buying in the monthly issue. So we just have to take it as it comes, as always, and relax and enjoy the ride.